Welcome back in my channel. Today I would like to speak about Gmail and a new feature that gradually is rolling out for every Gmail account. Managing subscription or managing newsletter is like for all emails we receive when we register in some website or purchase something, and automatically we start to receive all the emails from this website. Sometimes are interesting, sometimes are boring and can be annoying, and you start to feel, oh, this start to be a spam, and you don't like to maybe to spam because that website is good for when you purchase something to receive the invoice or notification for the delivery. Gmail resolve this issue by adding the features that you can see in this video. When you go now on your account, you can go on the left side, not on the label, but under inbox you will see other. As you can see, you click down, you can find manage subscription. Automatically Gmail can show you all the newsletter or subscription that are connected to your account based on how many mails you receive from this specific address. And probably the artificial intelligence or the algorithm in the back show that this is newsletter subscription, and you have the option to cancel it. For some of them you have automatically from Gmail that automatically send an email to cancel the subscription. For others, subscription. Let me know what you think about this feature. For me, I think it's great because I won't need to go in every mails and cancel my subscription. This will make more easy. Let me know and leave a comment and subscribe to my channel if you like this content. Thank you.